To turn on or turn off AutoFill Suggestion Appeared Sound effect when voiceover is on. In iPhone 14 Pro, open Settings. Next, scroll down Settings screen, find Accessibility, and then tap Accessibility. Select VoiceOver, and then tap Audio. Select Sounds and Haptics, and then scroll down the screen, find AutoFill Suggestion Appeared. Next, tap AutoFill Suggestion Appeared, and then on sound, tap switch until green to turn on, or tap switch until green to turn off. Tap switch until green to turn on AutoFill Suggestion Appeared sound effect when voiceover is on, or tap switch until green to turn off. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.